Here's why PMO can fail. Firstly, leadership support. Without this, a PMO can face significant hurdles. We always engage leaders from the get-go and involve them in planning and showcasing the PMO potential impact. This is not only secures their backing, but also encourage a supportive culture throughout the organization. We are also clear about our expectations. Sometimes we need to reach out and ask them to back our recent email, and that's okay. Another hurdle is the lack of clarity on PMO roles. Confusion can lead to inefficiencies. To clear things up, we would conduct workshops and training sessions, making sure everyone knows how the PMO streamlines success. Clarifying the purpose and everyone's role. When roles are clear, collaboration improves and resistance diminishes. The other challenge is overcoming resistance to change. Resistance to change is a common roadblock. To overcome this, we focus on communication, highlighting the tangible benefits of the change, and reviewing the journey as we go. So it's okay if you repeat yourself. Another challenge is outdated systems or too much manual effort. In this case, we need to assess whether to upgrade or replace these systems in order to achieve a seamless integration and real-time data. With the right technology, your PMO will be more productive and effective. So, PMO professionals and advisors can significantly improve service delivery by addressing challenges head-on. We are always looking to build leadership support, clarity role, manage resistance, and leverage efficient technology. Book a no-obligation discovery call with us to prevent the failure in your PMO.